Bartimaeus kept saying it. He wanted to be heard.
Yes,
God do not answer quiet prayers. He answers loud prayers. Amen. So he kept on saying, God have mercy on me. And the voice kept saying, don't say that. He's going to hear you. And the more they kept saying it, the louder Bartimaeus got. Jesus have mercy on me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kept saying it. Just kept saying it. So he drawed a bold spirit from Jesus. Because Jesus already know what you want before you ask. He said, cast all your spells upon me, and I will make all of them become to pass.
Yes,
so he kept on shouting loud. Jesus smart. He knew what Bartimaeus wanted before he said it. But he knew Bartimaeus had that strong spirit. Just by him standing up for his faith, he granted him his season.
Go ahead.
So he sent one of his disciples down and said, go down there and get that bold man with that spirit and bring him to me. He went down and he went to go get Bartimaeus. Amen. So once he went down, Bartimaeus had his own bold spirit. You know, we wear them robes, look like curtains and stuff. He had everything. Roses, flowers. But once he went down, the disciple was talking to him. He thought it was going to be something not of God. God came to help, not to take away. So he was kind of shaking, not want to go up there. But the disciple told Bartimaeus, he said, look here, God has something for you. He sent me down here to get you. This is going to be good. So comfort your spirit. Rise. Get on your feet. Let's go see what Jesus has for you. So once again, have mercy on me. What's for you is for you and for you only. Amen. So Bartimaeus held on to his faith so that when that red carpet opportunity came to walk that carpet, he was ready to receive his blessing. Even if the foresayer kept saying, don't be so loud. Don't do this. Don't do this. That's why I did it. Continue to stand consistent in that walk of faith. Knowing that at the end of the rainbow, you will reap your harvest. You plant a seed with your faith. And by you being patient waiting on the Lord, that's how your harvest come in. Planting your seed. So Bartimaeus held on to his faith throughout the foresale, throughout the negativity. But once again, Bartimaeus was blind. But we see. But he was loud, showing you that you don't have to see to receive a blessing. God will bring you from your darkest days back into your light days. So Bartimaeus was an example for many. And I recall they made a song called Blind Bartimaeus. Amen.